Do you see right there? Anything the light touches is your kingdom. Never go for Chinese takeout. Well, he didn't say anything about making it for myself. So let's make some lemon gai, or lemon chicken. First, we're gonna cut up our chicken. Make sure that they're all uniform and into nice strips. And you can use thigh or breast meat for this. Most restaurants will use breast. You like boba, don't you? Marinate it with 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, water, and mix it well. It shouldn't be overly wet, otherwise your batter will not crisp up. We're gonna make our batter with 185 grams of flour, 20 grams of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of salt, and add just a little bit of our secret ingredient, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. From there, you can add your water little by little until you get a somewhat pancake-like batter, and add your single egg and your oil. The oil will help this batter crisp up nicely. If your batter is a little thicker than normal, you will have a much thicker crust, and if a little bit thinner, it will taste a little bit more like tempura. There is no right or wrong here. It depends on your preference. Take our whole lemons and squeeze them by hand, and as much sugar as you feel is necessary. You can fry at a 325-degree Fahrenheit oil. Any high smoke point oil will do just well. Fry them until a nice light golden brown. Take them out and set them aside for just a little bit before putting them back in for the second fry. This chicken will work as a nice basis if you want to make some of the other varieties like General Tso's chicken or even apple chicken. As long as it is a citrusy type of fruit, it will taste just fine. Cover them over top with your lemon sauce, a little bit of green onion, and lots of sesame seeds. And voila! Delicious lemon chicken!